PGT has led the industry for more than 40 years by improving safety standards, pushing innovation, and delivering superior performance. From the day they're installed and for every moment you own your home, our impact products stand up to outside elements and give you confidence in your environment, your lifestyle, and your investment. Insulating glass impact windows and doors have proven to be a good investment. While they can potentially boost energy efficiency and home value, typically lowering insurance premiums, they also offer a sense of security that's priceless. Impact products provide 24/7 peace of mind knowing your home and family are protected all day, every day. By installing impact windows and doors, you'll provide your family with effortless hurricane protection. They also help deter break-ins from intruders, significantly reduce outside noise, and help safeguard your belongings from harmful UV rays. Most homeowners who install impact windows and doors see significant increases in the value of their homes. 95% of customers' home value increased, with an average gain of nearly $34,000. Our WindGuard impact-resistant windows and doors are built to provide extra protection and comfort to your home and family. And with more than 7 million WindGuard impact-resistant products installed, we've received 0 reported impact failures. Live the life you want, where you want. A custom detailed home that offers you and your family beauty and peace of mind for years to come. That's the freedom of PGT.